You talked about inflammation a lot. How would I know if I'm inflamed? Are there any sort of signals that would tell me that I need to look for a solution?
Well, there's a simple test that we call it the Dr. Bob Squeeze the Wrist test. Every test that we do has to be a Dr. Bob test. And so what we do is that we have our individuals literally squeeze their wrist. So individuals watching us right now in the comfort of their own homes, watching us online, if they squeeze their wrist, you should feel bone. If you feel a layer of fluid between your skin and your bone, it's not that you're heavy or fat. You have inflammation. You have water retention. Well, what might cause that? Well, gluten can cause that because it interrupts the normal absorption of nutrients. Maybe going to a fast food restaurant, a franchise restaurant where there's a lot of sodium causes water retention. We've even seen individuals consume and have a passion addiction for fruit, because we've seen fruit compromise function in the body. We've seen fruit cause fatty livers. So in our practice, we have seen many young ladies between 15 and 25 years old have enlarged livers because of pre-hormonal and also because of fruit. So inflammation can be caused by sugar. Sugar causes an increase in insulin, inflammation. Inflammation can come from consuming trans fatty acid. So you could tell by looking at somebody, they just look like they're holding on to water. They literally are holding on to water. They're inflamed.
Someone watching this video will say, well, wait a minute, I thought fruit was good for us, and why is that causing problems?
Well, I'm not saying that fruit is not good for us, but what we love to do in America and around the world is if something is tasty, we eat all we can. So I know people love bananas, they love raisins and grapes and pineapple and watermelon. Those are not bad foods. But what we are learning is that the fructose or the fructose in that fruit is processed in the liver. So if you overdo it, so only fruit I eat is a half an apple every day. That's all the fruit I eat. Other two fruits that would be passable, pears, plums, and apples. Sweet fruits can compromise liver function, impairing heart function. Just try it. You know, I have individuals that haven't been able to sleep through the night because they eat fruits or do a fruit smoothie in the morning and their blood sugar bottoms out at 3 o'clock in the morning. So that could help somebody watching us right now. I mean, we see a large number of people that can't sleep through the night. And I ask them, well, how much fruit are you eating? Well, what does that have to do with it? Well, it alters your blood sugar.